Hey y'all, it's me, Karen K. Rush, celebrate every day with Amazing K, and I am here because of the day of July 22nd. You know what that is? National Mango Day. And guess what I got? I got a box of mangoes, a juicy mangoes. I'm gonna open it. This is from my sister in Miramar, Florida, who has a mango tree in her backyard. What? A mango tree in her backyard. Isn't that awesome? And she loves me so much, and she knows how much I love mangoes, that she's sending me mangoes. Every year I look forward to my wonderful, wonderful gift of mangoes. A juicy mango fall upon your head. What's that from? Anybody know? Anybody know what that Broadway play is from? Okay, so my neighbor decides when I'm doing I celebrate every day with Amazing K to cut the grass. Okay, he stopped. Good. Oh, okay, so you know what? Ugh. These are packed. They had to be packed because they came all the way from Florida to Detroit. So she packed it good. FedEx. Yeah, no joke. All right, here they come. Here they come. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. Come on. One more tape. Oh my goodness, I didn't bring any scissors out here, but I'm gonna get these mangoes open. They're gonna, okay, here, I'm about to do something I tell kids don't do with their teeth. But it worked. Okay, mangoes. Woo, look at here. Oh my goodness. Look how big and juicy they are. They still got to get a little ripe. You know what we do, we put them in a little paper bag and let them get ripe, but she picked them early so they can go. Oh, I'm so excited about these mangoes. 1, 2, how many did she give me? 3, 4, 5, 6 juicy mangoes. Juicy mangoes. All right. I'm going to love these mangoes. I'm going to love having them. Thank you, Connie, my sister Connie. Well, okay, it's time for me to go in because the bugs are coming out. But listen, enjoy a mango. July 22nd, National Mango Day. You have some mango juice, mango punch. There's so many things you can do with mango. What do you do with mangoes? Here's some things you can do with mangoes. I'm just going to eat them, okay? I can freeze some and eat them later because they taste just as good frozen. And when you throw them out, oh my God, I love mangoes. I could put them over my cereal. I could just eat them with some sherbet or some ice milk or frozen yogurt. Oh my God, mangoes. I'm so happy. Thank you, Connie. All right, go get a mango for National Mango Day. Be bold, be blessed, be you. When I say you, I mean your original uniqueness, because you are unique. You're your own uniqueness. You are the stuff, and don't let nobody tell you anything different. And if they do, tell them Karen K. Rush, Amazing K, said you are the stuff and you are unique. Bye-bye.
Celebrate Every Day with Amazing K is sponsored by Rush Travels and Adventures, where we show you how you can save money, earn income, and secure your financial futures. I'm Karen K. Rush, and I approve this message. Thank you in advance for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell so that you can be notified of other episodes of Celebrate Every Day with Amazing K.